Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device and the box, and should look something similar to this. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, trim out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right next to your charging port. Now pushing the pin in, you'll see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side. Go. Make sure that the card is placed correctly. It should not protrude from the tray, and if you flip it over, it should be holding in there. Next, insert it back in, and the card should start working almost right away. There we go. So, there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.